So today's question is medium, and that is longest palindrome after substring concatenation. So you have given two string s and t. You can create a new string by selecting substring. And what is substring? Substring is a contiguous character in the string, and you can now select a new string from s, possibly empty, and substring from t, possibly empty. Then concatenating them in order. Return the longest palindrome that you can form in this way. So palindrome is a number which is seems which is equal from left to right and right to left, which is the string is equal like a to a and a and triple a and triple a. So what you have to do, you have to take some contiguous characters from s and t and concatenate them and form the longest substring. Not necessary you have to take from s or t individually. From s there may be a substring which is the longest, which will create a longest palindrome. Similarly, from t there will be substrings which will create a longest palindrome. So you can take zero, or either you can take or not you can take, but you have to return the longest palindrome which you can create either by concatenating some substring from s or t, or neither from both, or one of them. So let me take this example. So how many first you have to generate. As you can see, our the constraint is very low, so you need not to means worry about uh, the efficiency, but you have to, you can, that can be a further enhancement from to your code. So let me take this example as an for explanation. So a b c d e, if you take that, if you don't want to concatenate, then what all substring you can form is a b c, then starting from b d d e and ending with e. Similarly here, if ECBDA, all substring is EEC, ECDB, and BA, and ending with A. Okay, and now if you see the palindrome are A, B individual character, and there is no palindrome in the this string A, B, C, D, E, and T, C, D, E. So now we have seen the individual palindromes in both the string. Now we have to see the concatenated palindromes. What if we can get the maximum length of the concatenated palindrome? So a will concatenate, we have to perform the Cartesian product a with all. We have to see if there is some string which can be formed. Similarly, abc with all. So there will be an instance where abc will concatenate with ba, abc ba, ABCBA, which is the longest palindrome of string 5. Not necessarily it is, there's two or three strings more which is of this length, but you have to retain one of them. So 5 will be the correct answer for this. So let me take the code. So what I have done, I've taken an integer dot max, integer max, which will be needed to calculate the max value amongst the palindromes. So I have taken one list which will store the all the palindrome strings, and list one and list two, which contains all the list from list one and all the substring from string two, to concatenate and see further. So for first string s length, I will calculate all the substrings uh, which are palindrome. So for reverse, I will take string builder class, and if I see if their reverse is equal to s1, then I will add in pe and calculate their length simultaneously instead of creating one more loop at the end. Similarly, for string t, I will calculate the individual palindromes. See the reverse. I have taken the string builder class to perform the reverse and check it with the original string s1 and see if this length is greater than the max string which currently we have. And now we have both the strings from string s and string t in the list 1 and the list 2, which I have taken simultaneously. I'm adding it here also, and here I'm adding list 2 and adding the list 1 also for all the substrings which you are getting and all the palindrome substrings in PE. Although this is not necessary, we can comment it out because we have already calculated the max length here itself. Now for the two list, I will calculate the concatenation of both the substrings A with all of them, like AE, AEC, AED, like all the substring with another substring with all the substring of T. and I will see the max length. Obviously there will be one scenario where abcba will be there, and that will the max length 5. Okay, sorry, here will be the max length 5, and we will return the answer. Although this you can comment it out, I have taken to calculate the max length at the end, but we have already calculated here. So this pe list and list array list is not needed, you can comment it out, because we are calculating simultaneously. So this you have to do, and you can calculate the maximum palindrome substring, either from both the substring, either one, or either from s, either from t, either from both. Thank you.